Have you ever wondered how designers, inventors, or problem solvers come up with brilliant ideas? The secret is something called design thinking, and the good news is anyone can use it, not just designers. Design thinking is a way of solving problems by focusing on people first. Instead of jumping straight to a solution, you step into the shoes of the people who will use it. It's about asking, what do they really need? How can we make their life easier? There are five main steps. Let's break them down with simple examples. Empathize. This means understanding people's needs. Imagine you want to design a better water bottle. Don't start sketching yet. First, talk to people. Do they want something lightweight, easy to clean, leak proof? Define. Now take what you learned and define the real problem. Maybe the real problem is not people need a new bottle. The problem is people need a bottle that doesn't spill in their bag. Ideate. This is brainstorming. Think of as many ideas as possible, even wild ones. A self sealing cap, a square bottle that doesn't roll away, a bottle that falls flat when empty. No idea is too crazy. Prototype. Turn your ideas into something you can test. It doesn't have to be fancy. Make a rough model out of plastic, cardboard, or even paper just to show how it works. Test. Finally, share your prototype with real people and get feedback. Give your bottle to a few friends and see if it really doesn't leak. If it fails, that's good. You have learned and you can improve it. The power of design thinking is that it keeps you focused on people. Instead of guessing what might work, you test, learn, and improve. Next time you face a problem, big or small, try these five steps. You'll be surprised at the creative solution you find. Thanks for watching.